responsibility for repairing or replacing balcony floor tiles depends on whether your property is registered under a building format plan or a standard format plan, as well as any specific provisions in your community management statement and bylaws. Under a building format plan, the responsibility is generally shared between the lot owner and the body corporate, depending on whether the issue relates only to the surface tiles or affects waterproofing or structural elements. Cosmetic maintenance, minor repairs, and replacing tiles that have cracked or lifted but do not impact waterproofing or structure fall to the owner as they are considered fixtures within the lot boundary. If the damaged tiles are connected to or caused by waterproofing failure or a structural issue, the body corporate may be responsible for rectifying the underlying problem and by default replacing the surface tiles. Waterproof membranes, structural components of the balcony slab, and fixtures that protect lower lots are usually considered common property and as such are part of the body corporate's obligations. Under a standard format plan, maintenance responsibilities are much simpler. The lot owner is responsible for all balcony elements, including the structure, tiles, balustrades, doors, and windows. Fixing or replacing floor tiles is solely the lot owner's responsibility. The body corporate, under a standard format plan, is limited to responsibility for shared infrastructure such as roads, gardens, and communal utilities. In saying that, some schemes do have specific bylaws for balconies or exclusive use areas that can alter the default responsibilities. If you're unsure, review your survey plan and community management statement or seek advice from your body corporate manager